talk about, before we let you out of here today, and thanks for being so generous with your time. Jeff Irvin is Chairman and CEO of IMAC Holdings, but IMAC Regeneration Centers, and of course the outpatient clinics that are delivering these treatments he's talking about. Talk about the insurance side of this thing, because and not necessarily to get political or anything, but the point is that insurance is a very real part of your business.
It is,
and you have to deal with it. How invasive is it for you, speaking of invasive, to have to be able to depend on insurance companies, to get paid? And how broken is it, or you're at the tip of the spear here. I've never even had to be able to ask this question to somebody on your side of the fence.
Right.
Is it manageable? Is it getting better? Is it getting worse? Or is it just how it is?
It is getting better. For our veterans, the care is fantastic. And for those that have just an off-the-shelf plan from United Healthcare or Blue Cross, they're typically not going to cover a regenerative procedure, but they will cover everything else that we do.
Okay.
And so roughly 30 to of our collections are represented from self-pay.
So here's the thing. Wow. I got to talk about this, because Challenge Athletes Foundation has taught us one thing. If you lose a limb, insurance will pay for a walking limb to get around, but they will not pay for an adaptive piece of sports equipment or a blade that will improve your life and keep you healthier longer. And now I'm hearing that regenerative medicine, they'll cover my knee surgery. They'll cover $165K for a knee replacement and the shot and everything else. But I wonder the wisdom behind that, in your opinion, of why, this is look at buying a below the knee amputee, a running blade is, in my opinion, preventative maintenance for a potential health problem in the future.
Absolutely.
Doing what you're talking about is preventative maintenance for avoiding having insurance company pay 160, 150 grand for a surgery. Why would they not be on board, in your opinion?
Yeah, well, regenerative medicine and biologic advancements have really been recent.
But there's medical doctors, though, that are, it's legitimate, it's both science.
You're right. The authorities in the United States typically follow a long-term study path. It could be 7 to 12 years before you prove something, while we're finding science in Western Europe, in Asia, that's really allowing us to do what we're doing today.